In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DocuSign dynamic template. Whether you're new to DocuSign or an experienced user looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through each step of the process with clarity. By the end of this session, you'll know exactly how to set up a template that will save you time and effort. First, let's start by navigating to the DocuSign website. You'll want to head over to their homepage, which you can easily find by searching for DocuSign in your web browser. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and simple to set one up. Being prepared with your account means you're ready to dive right into the template creation process. Once logged in, look for the templates section in your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can start creating your template. You'll need to look for the Create Template button. This is typically located on the upper right side of the page. Selecting this option is your gateway to customizing a template that suits your business needs. Now, here comes an interesting part. Naming your template. Choose a descriptive name that reflects its purpose because this makes it easier to identify later when you're managing multiple templates. Simply write down the chosen name in the designated field. After naming your template, the next step is adding the necessary documents. These are the files that will be used for your e-signature processes. You can upload documents directly from your computer or, if you prefer, from a cloud service. Make sure everything you need is neatly organized and ready to go for a smoother setup experience. With your documents in place, it's time to add recipients. These are the individuals who need to sign or receive a copy of your documents. Input their email addresses and assign their roles within the signing process. Ensure each recipient's role is clearly defined to avoid any confusion down the line. Optionally, you can draft a message to accompany your documents. This can help provide context or instructions to your recipients, making the entire process clear and efficient for everyone involved. Though this step is optional, it's a thoughtful touch that can go a long way in enhancing communication. Once everything is set, the next step is simply clicking the Next button. This will lead you to the final stages of the setup process. You might encounter this step more than once, so feel free to use this as an opportunity to double-check your entries and make any adjustments needed. Finally, ensure all your settings look good and then click Save and Close. If you wish to save the template under a new name at this stage, type in the desired name before closing. Congratulations! You've successfully created a dynamic template in DocuSign. By following these steps, you're on your way to making your document management more seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need.